taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the noose off. You cannot save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
You are not as tough as
I'm back, you know that I never left. I got tracks and some music that you never guessed. I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon. I'm not sharp as many, but got hard. I'm ready to change scars to envy, to win large and plenty. I like to play fast, never change back. Calling out, I'll pay back, 'cause I'm great at that. Oh, you cannot save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
you are not as tough as
Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots, who are not as tough as me. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots, who are not as tough as me. I'm taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. Okay, you fucking with the facts. So are you ready for the best? Said, are you ready for the best? Let's go. Yeah, I said I got this, I'm in it. I'm hella filthy, so I got this, I'm winning. I'm not a quitter, so I'm not fucking quitting. Just try to stop me and you'll drop dead missing. I'm on my way to the top now, listen. I ain't never gonna stop, too driven. I ain't never getting lost, got vision. I'ma make this shit hot, ignition. Yeah, y'all give me facts, not fiction. Then you know I fucking listen, 'cause I'm on a fucking mission. Man, you got to be driven, 'cause this world is unforgiving. You're the only one that's winning, or the only one that's quitting. So get up and stay committed, don't be asking for permission. Hit the gas after ignition and start acting like you're winning. Make your own damn decisions, don't let others make you victims. Have a thought and have a vision, don't get caught up in the millions. Yeah, I'ma make this shit hot. Oh, I'ma light the shit up. Yeah, I'ma make this shit hot. Oh, I'ma light the shit up. Light the shit up. Let's go. Yeah, I said I got this, I'm on it. Give me 5 years and I got what I wanted. I'ma go ahead and finish all that I started. I'ma go ahead and get it all uncharted. I can make this place go off like a rocket. I can give a fuck if you 808 right out though. Yeah. I'm in it. I'm hella filthy, so I got this, I'm winning. I'm not a quitter, so I'm not fucking quitting. Just try to stop me and you'll drop dead missing. I'm on my way to the top now, listen. I ain't never gonna stop, too driven. I ain't never getting lost, got vision. I'ma make this shit hot, ignition. Yeah, y'all give me facts, not fiction. Then you know I fucking listen, cause I'm on a fucking mission. Man, you got to be driven, cause this world is unforgiving. You're the only one that's winning, or the only one that's quitting. So get up and stay committed, don't be asking for permission. Hit the gas after ignition and start acting like you're winning. Make your own damn decisions, don't let others make you victims. Have a thought and have a vision, don't get caught up in the millions. Yeah, I'ma make this shit hot. Oh, I'ma light this shit up. Yeah, I'ma make this shit hot. Oh, I'ma light this shit up. Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your fucking cloud. It be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, bitch I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my fucking mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase it? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 Yeah.
I am more than a weapon.
खत्म तुम खत्म 4 versus 5.
I didn't cure the pain. I harness it.
Luna, hello Luna. 4 versus 5. This is a match between llDutS and KHASI OGs. On the left side we have llDutS and on the right side we have KHASI OGs. Today we have the first match of this playoff, and tonight we have only the matches from lower brackets. So this is a match, best of 3 match, and after this we're going to have a match between Jobless Heroes and Ghost Esports at 11 PM. Four versus 5. 4 players from KHASI OGs on the right side and 5 players from llDutS on the left side. Okay, you have Julian, Xavier, Yin and Valentina banned. So it's going to be a very high advantage for llDutS with one extra player. And we have KHASI OGs are going to be pushing down with only 4 players in this match. Let's hope that they will come in the second match with 5 players. Otherwise, if they are coming in with only 4 players in the second match as well, it seems like they are not going to be able to survive in this match between against llDutS, because this is not a group stage, this is a playoff. So the teams who are qualified to playoff are quite tough. So with only 4 players, it's not possible to win the match. So they need 5 players to go for a fair 5 versus 5 fight with the enemies. So with only 4 players, it's gonna be a very big problem. So let's hope that they will come back in the second match with 5 players. But for now, let's focus on this 4 versus 5. Let's see how they're gonna handle against 5 players from llDutS. So we have Thamos, Lunox and Biggie, 3 picks from llDutS.
I see the fondest hopes.
We have Nana, Kufra, Popol and Koopa and Nathan, the 4 picks coming in from KHASI OG. So we have Irithel and what will be the last hero for llDutS? It seems like is it going to be a fighter, or maybe yes, it's going to be a fighter. Albus, okay, that's an last pick for llDutS. Saurabh Sharma, how come 5 versus 4? I don't know, bro. They said that the players, one player is one player from the main lineup. He's not available, and 2 substitutes are not available as well. So they decided to play with only 4 players. But this is a best of 3 match. So let's hope that KHASI OGs will come back with 5 players in the next match. Deepak Agarwal, Markai Gasap.
Welcome to Mobile
So the blue team here is llDutS and the red team is KHASI OG. So we have in bottom lane, we have in the gold lane, which is Irithel. and is going to be in a fight with Nana. So we have in mid lane, we have Diggy along with llDutS. So we have Nathan and Kufra here still gonna go for the buff. So we have Thomas already managed to take down that blue buff, so he's gonna try to invade along with Diggy for the red buff against the enemy. So we have Papa and Koopa along with llDutS in top lane, so that red buff is gonna be invaded by llDutS. So now it's going to be an advantage for llDutS with 5 players, and he got that buff invasion against KHASI OGs. एक टू है गुशन टॉप ग्लोबल, ये llDutS स्क्वाड वाला, उसका नाम क्या है पता नहीं भाई, मैंने नहीं मालूम है भाई। गुशन प्लेयर है, कौन सा गुशन प्लेयर llDutS पे, मेरी पता नहीं भाई। So we have a charge coming in from llDutS against Purple and Koopa, and we have llDutS very low on HP. Let's see who is going to be able to take down. It seems like llDutS is going to be taken down. Look at Purple and Koopa. She managed to take down llDutS, but she's been taken down as well with the shots coming in from that turret. So we have in mid lane as well, 2 heroes have been taken down, which is Kufra in mid lane, and it's 1-1 kill for both teams. But 1 kill is going extra for llDutS, which is done, and which has been taken down by this top lane turret. So we have llDutS and Purple and Koopa back in the same fight in top lane. So we have a turtle being charged by Thomas, and we have llDutS very low HP. There's a turtle coming in from Thomas, and we have a charge coming in from llDutS against Kufra, and Kufra is going to be taken down by llDutS. Best kill from llDutS, and Kufra has been taken down in mid lane. So we have Nana still halfway trying to move back to the top lane. We have Irthal, the only player here from a team llDutS, trying to go for a push in bottom lane. So we have 3 players all together here from llDutS dominating in mid lane, and we have llDutS, still solo player, trying to get some farm in top lane, and no one is there to defend from KHASI OGs. So llDutS is gonna get set, right? No one is defending that top lane, and he's gonna take down that bottom top lane turret, and this mid lane turret is gonna go down as well, it seems. So we have Nana still holding her position in bottom lane. So we have Thomas, he's switching up lanes with Erika, and Erika is moving to mid lane, and we have mid lane turret has been taken down by Erika. So I'm going to see a gank coming in from Team llDutS, which is blue team. 4 kills in total against KHASI OGs, which is only 1 kill. So there's another kill. Purple and Koopa has been taken down. So we have Ripple very low on HP, and Koopa is struggling here with only 1 HP as well. So we have llDutS trying to go for the charge against Nana, but he cancelled his ultimate. And we have llDutS here. All players are concentrating together in the game. So with only 3 players to defend here from KHASI OG, it's going to be a very big challenge for them to defend. So we have Purple and Koopa moving to top lane, trying to defend against llDutS, trying to stop llDutS from the push, but llDutS managed to take down that top lane turret right on time. So we have a tap against Koopa. Seems like Koopa is going to go down. There it is. Thomas managed to take down Koopa. So there's a charge. It looks like llDutS against Purple and Koopa, but llDutS has been taken down with the help of Nathan. And we have Irthal gonna try to clear those minions from gold lane in that bottom side of this map. So we have a turtle. Second turtle is gonna be taken maybe by yes, that's a turtle. Second turtle for Team llDutS. So we have a buff gonna try to invade from Diggy, but no one is right there to help out Diggy from llDutS. So llDutS are pretty much on the lead here with 6 kills in total, and KHASI OGs with 3 kills in total. So let's wait for a moment and we'll see the builds from both the teams. So we have Kusa has been taken down again. And we have llDutS here trying to go for the push in bottom lane, and Nana is right there trying to defend against llDutS. So llDutS is teleporting back to base with very low on HP, gonna regenerate his HP and gonna join in the fight as well again. And he's gonna use his ultimate, it seems, I guess, against KHASI OGs. llDutS Luna. Yes, katati lati kenal pa hi ban llDutS marba KHASI OGs tang 4 players pi kam dei ko basuk 4 players namar kanir kam dei ka group stage pi. This is not a group stage. If it's a group stage, then there might be some chance, but this is a playoff. The teams are qualified for playoff are very tough, you know. So if your team is having only 4 players, so it's going to be a very big challenge to win against the enemy team with 5 players. So now llDutS here gonna try to go for the charge. Look at Thamos trying to move forward in front line, and he's waiting for DG to come in with the assist. And llDutS is still right there in bottom lane trying to push against that second turret. Balita ka sound ka lang kumta. Tipra bro. Kalong mo sound. Kabiang am ka sound. Kabiang bro sound. Kalong mo ka sound mo lang.
Hero has been slain.
So let's take a look at all the builds here from both the teams. The bronze, kalong no bro ka sound the batailam. Bangan yo ban fix la. So 4 players all together here from KHASI OGs, and we have 4 players from llDutS here as well. And llDutS trying to do his own job, trying to clear those minions and trying to push from top lane and wait for the players from llDutS here trying to push this mid lane. And we have a charge coming from llDutS. Well, all the teammates from llDutS here, they are coming in pretty late, and llDutS here, llDutS have to use his flicker spell to escape from the charge coming in from KHASI OGs. Kabyang menta kalabyang. Okay bro, okay. Thank you so much for your help, guys. Thank you so much. So we have a Lord has been taken down by llDutS here, and it seems like KHASI OGs are gonna struggle regarding defending this match against llDutS here. K9 Akatsuki's Kirum playoff na yan. Kamrung ra bro. K9 Akatsuki's kamrung ra. Namartang 2 teams na ko yung group am. Takata. Okay, so we have a charge coming from llDutS here. Let's take a look who's going to be taken down here. Look at that. We have Popper and Koopa very low on HP. Nathan is also very low on HP, and now he still managed to skip. But this top lane base that is going to be taken down by llDutS here. So now they are already on the lead regarding this top lane base turret has been taken down. So Mega Minions is gonna come in, and mid lane base turret has been taken down as well. So we have 5 players all together from llDutS here assembled together here in the main base of KHASI OG. So now we are going to see charge coming from llDutS, but llDutS has been taken down by Nathan. So look at that, it's going to be a 4 versus 4 in this fight between KHASI OGs and llDutS here. So let's take a look. Will KHASI OGs be able to defend against llDutS here? But it seems like it's going to be a very hard situation, because we've seen this Lord is coming in from a bottom lane, and it seems like it's going to be a win for llDutS here. And there's a charge coming in, and all the players from llDutS here are trying to concentrate on the players from KHASI OGs. 3 players have been taken down, and the Lord is coming in as a tank, and the players from llDutS here finishing with a final blow against the main base and are coming in with a win. And that's the first win for llDutS here, and KHASI OGs lost the first match, and we still have 2 more matches after this, because it's a best-of-3 match. But let's hope that KHASI OGs will come in the second match with 5 players. We are going to see a fair 5 versus 5 match between these 2. So stay tuned, we will be right back with the next match.
Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your fucking cloud. It be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, bitch I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my fucking mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your fucking cloud. It be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, bitch I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
We are having 4 players again for KHASI OG, so it seems like one player is still not available, so they decided to play with 4 players in the second match as well. This is going to be a sure win for llDutS, because with only 4 players it's going to be very hard for KHASI OGs to win in a match.
is in despair that I see the fondest hopes. To live is to trick the Reaper.
Biddy break ma, biddy break.
I didn't cure the pain. I harness it.
4 players biang hot kan Mlaira. Because one player from main lineup is not available, and the same goes to 2 substitutes are not available as well. So KHASI OGs decided to play with only 4 players. So this is a second match between KHASI OGs and llDutS, and the first match llDutS won. A pretty easy match between these two because KHASI OGs with only 4 players, they are struggling to fight against llDutS. So in this match we have on the left side KHASI OGs, and on the right side we have llDutS, which is the red team, the blue team will be KHASI OGs and the red team will be llDutS. Shikar break part mentala sangya shakabam to nomor barak sudah put minyak. Nak lembam lu tu mentala no la sudah yotam. Ngam adik ira itu ada nggak irus easy. Nak lembam tas sudah yotam ru ngam lele ira. Nomor tu ngsuba melan mendai syuk komen swapi mentate la la itu ban ira. So here KHASI OG is the blue team with only 4 players, and we have experience lane, which is only Sun from llDutS. No one from KHASI OG is gonna move to experience lane. So we have a gold lane with only Moskov, and we have Ramis. He's pretty late though, and I guess it seems like KHASI OGs are gonna try to fight in mid lane, but the fight is already happening here, and Faramis has been taken down. That's the first blood of llDutS, and it seems like Valentina is gonna try to take down some kill, but that's a pretty hard situation for KHASI OGs to take the fight. And we have Thomas trying to invade the buff again, just like in the first match, but he decided to fall back from that invasion. So we have Yuzong has been taken down in mid lane, and no players are going to gold lane and experience lane, and it seems like KHASI OGs decided to fight all together here in the mid lane. So now we are going to see Yuzong moving to experience lane, and nobody is moving to gold lane. So Moskov is gonna be farming here. Nobody is going to disturb Moskov, and we have Sun going to be in a fight with Yuzong. So we have 3 players altogether from KHASI OGs going to take the fight against these 2 players from llDutS. Lakala tutlas dia takadaw Malaysia. Tutlas kan. So we have a total charge coming in from llDutS, which is Thomas. Look at Moskov, he managed to take down the first turret, and the second turret is gonna go down as well. It seems the turret has been taken down by Thomas, and there's a charge coming from llDutS. We have Brody has been taken down, Valentina has been taken down, and this is going to be an easy win for llDutS. It seems like the players from KHASI OGs, they are not playing. Look at this Faramis, he's going AFK, he's not even responding. So we have only 3 players fighting from KHASI OGs. balay 4 versus 5 lalu ang bro ki KHASI OGs kim available ra players one ra substitute bro lam main line up bro lam ke hapan nak kai saungot liam no kan. So we have Valentina has been taken down in mid lane, and Faramis along with Brody trying to defend this mid lane here. We have top lane turret has been taken down by Sun, and we have Moskov in a fight with Yuzong. So there it is. We have a rotation coming in from these 3 players from KHASI OGs, which is Brody and Faramis, and Moskov is falling back from the fight, and Moskov using his ultimate. It seems like Moskov is gonna be taken down. Look at that. Will he be able to survive? Yes, he still managed to survive, and Moskov gonna try to teleport back to base, but Sun, he's doing his own job trying to push this top lane here. Di bronze na ila larong hadu playoff tang batang saungot hap yala ta. Katakan bro kim nom do kan ki players ru ngampit ra jayu ngaru ngampit ra namar bangan day start batuma ye kiong mati kiong bam lap player te mali ra ma namar bang ila ai do nyongot ki players te ban register am sangot ki main line up but arngot substitute te kidang yo chance man pendrum te lak no stang la da kimla bam kimla ki substitute but ki main line up te mali ra nyongot ki players ngai la ban register. So we have the second turtle has been taken down by Thomas again from llDutS. So we have Brody has been taken down. So there's a fight coming in here. Look at that. It seems like another player. Valentina has been taken down. And we have Lunox still trying to survive. But Yuzong has been taken down with the help of Sun. And Lunox with only 1 HP still managed to survive. And bottom lane second turret has been taken down by Moskov. And top lane second turret has been taken down by Sun. So now we are going to see the final push coming from llDutS here. Escape Pain. Hello. So that's a win. And KHASI OGs decided to go for surrender. And they decided to go for a surrender in this match, second match. And that's a win for llDutS. First match llDutS won, and the second match llDutS won again, and there will be no third match. So stay tuned. And this match one between KHASI OGs and llDutS. llDutS is qualified to the next match in the playoff. So the next match will be Ghost Esports and Jobless Heroes at 11 PM. So stay tuned. We will be right back at 11 PM. Okay. At 11 PM. Okay, I will close the stream. I will start the stream at 11 PM.
wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my fucking mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. I tell you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase that? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise.